Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are now Temu influencers. Pardon the background noise, some of my neighbors around me are doing some construction-y kind of stuff, but that is okay. Today we are going to be trying out this really cool, it is a green, like florally printed walking stick I got from Temu. They went ahead and sent it over to us, and I believe it was only $8.99. So we're just going to open it up. I already have a fear. I didn't really read the description, and it says it just adjusts from 31 to 37, I'm assuming inches. So I think that might be a little bit short for me. I'm not sure. It does say an S. I don't know if that stands for small or anything, but I'm assuming this thing is going to be super easy to put together. Here it is. I love that floral pattern. It's like jade shiny green with some silver, brown, gold, and pink and white. I don't want to whack Xena with it. That is pretty cool. I mean, that just literally pops together all by itself. And then right here is where you can adjust it using this golden knob. So, ooh, that's hard. Push it in. So push in with your thumb, and then right here under this black thing, push it again. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it the tallest it can go. I do have to say, super easy to put together, super beautiful. I love the green color. And it might actually be tall enough. Let's see. Xena, do you think this is tall enough? I gotta get up first, right? Definitely check out the description. We're gonna have links and a promo code. It's a little short, I guess. I mean, it's like more of a cane height than a walking stick height. But overall, it's really pretty. Love the coloring on it. Maybe I'll give it as a gift to my grandma or something. Because like I said, it is a little bit shorter than most walking sticks, but it would be a great cane. Definitely check this product out if you need a cane or if you're into a shorter walking stick. It is super pretty. Like I said, less than $10. Great quality, and you saw how easy it was to put together. And now to take it apart, you just like undo everything, and then look at that, look at how small it is. Well, if you liked this short little video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and definitely shop on Temu. And definitely check out our description down below. Have a great one.